There's an opportunity for keiki to engage in hands-on learning in the great outdoors.
That's right. Chris Latronic joins us now from the Hawai'i Nature Center with more. Good morning, Chris.
Yes, good morning to you guys from Makiki Valley. We're here in the beautiful Hawai'i Nature Center. Perfect time to come down and learn more about nature here in Hawaii for Earth Day. So happy Earth Day to you all, and come on down. Here to tell us more, Todd Cullison, so good to see you, Executive Director. For people that don't know, tell me a little bit about the Hawai'i Nature Center.
Hawai'i Nature Center is a private nonprofit that engages kids in nature on Oahu and Maui. We've been here since 1981, and we see about 10,000 kids and adults come through our program every year. Through school programs, homeschool, and upcoming summer camp.
That is great. And also, it's Earth Day, so it's even more special time to come down. But Earth Day should be every day, right?
It really is Earth Day for us every day. We run 7 days a week, but we want kids to explore nature, engage in nature, and nature is for everybody, right? So that's what the Hawai'i Nature Center is all about. Yeah.
And people are watching this right now. How can they be enrolled?
Well, the best thing to do is go to our website at hawaiinaturecenter.org, and there's a variety of different menus there, including, like say, summer camp that comes up from June 2nd to August 15th.
Yes,
yeah.
And speaking of that, we got Sarah over here. Thank you so much, Todd. Sarah McIntosh, good morning to you. Big time coming up to enroll in the summer camps. Tell me about it.
Yeah, absolutely. We've got June 2nd coming right around the corner. That'll be our very first week of Nature Adventure Camp for the summer, and we'll run those weekly camps throughout the summer until August 15th. It's going to be a lot of fun, so it's time to sign up now.
Yes. Good morning to you, Sarah, and everybody on this Aloha Tuesday. Yes, it's Earth Day, and I'm here at the Hawai'i Nature Center in Makiki Heights Valley, and it's pretty amazing to be here. I haven't been here before, but you could hear that. It's the sound of Makiki Stream. It's cool to be in nature for Earth Day. And here to tell us more, Todd Cullison, who is the Executive Director. For people that don't know, tell me a little bit about this great place.
Yeah, well, thanks for being here. Hawai'i Nature Center has been around as a nonprofit since 1981. We expanded to Maui in 1992, and our main focus is connecting kids and families to nature, and we do that through a variety of different programs.
Yes, that's amazing. Kind of tell me the layout of this whole area.
Yeah, so we are in Makiki Valley. Right behind us is the Makiki Forest Reserve, which is owned by the state, so we have access to their hiking trails. We have freshwater Makiki Stream that's still not channelized. It's, you know, we'll look at that later. And there's a couple thousand acres that the kids get to explore in the forest and the trails that we get to utilize on our property.
That is fantastic. And yes, stay tuned. We're going to see a little bit more. Thank you so much, Todd. But yes, let's go into the room where we have Sarah. Good morning to you, Sarah. Tell me a little bit about kind of the educational programs and Earth Day here at the Hawai'i Nature Center.
Absolutely. Happy Earth Day, everyone. Welcome to the Hawai'i Nature Center. And yeah, this is our classroom here where we do a variety of our programming. So we have a number of different programs. We have our Nature Adventure Camps, which happen during the school intersessions. We also have our field trips that we do with school programs. They come up here and take field trips with us. And then we also have a number of birthday party programs, weekend programs, family programs that bring in more of the community, and we're working to bolster those programs coming up as well. And then, of course, we have our homeschool science series program that happens on Wednesdays too, and we'll go into all of that coming up.
Yes, that's so cool. Okay, take me into this room, which is pretty vast, and I see kind of this structure over here. Is that a slide?
Absolutely, yes, this is our slide. We've got our awesome classroom here. This is our only indoor space that we have here, so keiki come, and sometimes we give them a little introduction here in the classroom. Maybe they get a ride on the slide, our waterfall slide, and then we head right out into nature, so out to the trails, into the meadow, down to the stream. So we just spent a little bit of time in here, but this is kind of where it all starts.
That's so cool. And there's options open right now for the summer camps right now, right?
Yes, yeah, exactly. We are full on enrollment for our summer camps, our summer nature adventure camps. So those start on June 2nd and run through August 15th. And we're really excited to be getting kids signed up for that right now.
Yeah, that's cool. So make sure you sign up. More information on our website at KHON2.com. I love how we're indoors, but also feeling outdoors. And of course, little kid in me has to do the slide, and you can too. Chris Latronic working for Hawaii. Sending things back to you. Woo!
Oh, that was slick. Nice, Chris. He must have been practicing that, right? I mean, before the live shot, he did a couple slides already.
I don't think so. I think that's like innate.
My son did a field trip to the Nature Center. Absolutely loved it. So,
wow.
Yeah, great spot for keiki.
What? I never have been there.
Me either. So
I want to go.
Yep.
Right, now we have kids, so we got to take them.
Yep. There's an opportunity for keiki to engage in hands-on learning in the great outdoors.
Chris Latronic joins us now live from the Hawai'i Nature Center with more. Good morning, Chris.
Good morning, Sarah, Sam, and everybody on this Aloha Tuesday. Beautiful Earth Day to everybody. And yes, we're here in amongst nature here at the Hawai'i Nature Center, and there's great opportunities coming up with their summer camp options. And here to tell us more, Todd Cullison, good morning to you, sir, Executive Director. What part of the nature center are we at right now?
Well, we're actually up on the Division of Forestry and Wildlife's property along Makiki Stream in Makiki Forest Reserve, but we get to utilize this for our kids when they come up here to our camps.
That's great. How vast is this area? How big is it?
I think it's over 1,000 acres and several miles of trails, probably 20 miles of trails up here that you can get lost on.
Wow, that's great. And also the stream here, I also heard this pretty healing waters. Huh?
Oh, it's amazing. You know, Makiki Stream right here is a natural stream. It runs year round, and there's people that come up here every day and do the forest bathing and just kind of meditate. That's what our kids are out here doing as well, yeah.
Yes, I feel like we're kind of meditating right now amongst this great place. Thank you, Todd. Sarah McIntosh, good morning to you, Education Program Director. Tell me about one of the activities. I got my scoop net ready.
Yeah, right. We're ready to go fishing in the stream today. We've got our nets, so anytime that fishing is on the schedule, the kids get really excited, and we bring them out here along the trail and find a spot like this along the stream to go fishing. And the fishing and the nets are really just to get them started, to be exploring the stream, and then they take over. You know, they really are out here. They're working together. They're kind of negotiating with each other across the stream, building different things in the stream, who can find the most shrimp or fish. There's just all kinds of magic that happens at the stream, and it's learning, it's building social skills, and it's having a lot of fun.
Yes, that is amazing, and that's a big part of it. And we did actually catch some little guys, a little fish, a little shrimp. Yep. But they're very small, and we're probably going to put them back in. But yes, one of the many activities that you could have here with our 10-week program. More information on our website at KHON2.com. Chris Adronic, Sarah McIntosh, working for Hawaii, sending things back to you. Look at that.
Hey, I'm pretty impressed they caught something at all.
I know.
That's cool.
Those shrimp and fish are like, put us back right now. Time is 6:05 now. Today is Earth Day, and there's an opportunity for keiki to engage in hands-on learning in the great outdoors.
Chris Latronic joins us now live from the Hawai'i Nature Center with more. Good morning, Chris.
Good morning to you, Sarah, Sam, and everybody on this beautiful Aloha Tuesday. Yes, happy Earth Day to everybody, and there's no better place to experience it than right here at the Hawai'i Nature Center in Makiki Valley. Here to tell us more, Executive Director of this great place, Todd Cullison. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Tell me a little bit about kind of the history of this amazing
happy Earth Day
spot.
to everybody. Yeah, Hawai'i Nature Center established as our own nonprofit in 1981. We operate here and Maui, and we connect kids basically ages 6 to 11 to nature.
That's amazing. And tell me how important it is to kind of be amongst nature instead of staying inside all the time.
What we say is, more green time and less screen time. Research shows that kids are spending too much time indoors on their devices, and there's a lot of research that suggests when kids come outside that, they relax more, they make more friends, and ADHD goes down, different things like that. So our most important mission is just really connecting kids to nature, so they have that experience to enjoy it.
Yes, and this is a great place to do it. Thank you so much, Todd, for that, Mana'o. But also, it's about some of their summer camps on this campus as well as in Maui. Here to tell us more, Sarah McIntyre. So good to see you, Education Program Director. Tell me a little bit about what's going on in kind of a few weeks.
Yeah, absolutely. So coming up here, summer's just around the corner. We'll be starting our Summer Nature Adventure Camp from June 2nd all the way to August 15th. We'll be running that camp, week-long day camps, and we've got 4 really amazing themes coming up this summer. We have our Voyaging Across Oceania is a theme that will be diving into voyaging traditions and how it connects, of course, to nature, as folks have known for thousands of years. And then we'll be diving into sustainability superheroes, where we all become a superhero and learn about sustainability, what we can do. We've got Nature in My Backyard, where we'll learn that nature is everywhere, that we're a part of nature, of course. And then our final theme, of course, is our Wilderness Wellness theme. So learning about mindful nature hikes and how nature can help us, as Todd was just talking about.
Yes, and speaking about nature hikes, just being here, Tantalus as well as Makiki Valley, kind of tell me about this area.
Yeah, it's a really beautiful area. There's a lot to see. We've got miles and miles of trails to explore. We've got, of course, the Makiki Stream right behind us. It's really a hit for the kids. They love to be down there. We've got a little meadow area where we can play games.
All right, folks, today is Earth Day, and there's an opportunity for keiki to engage in hands-on learning in the great outdoors.
That's right. Chris Latronic joins us now live from the Hawai'i Nature Center with more. Good morning, Chris.
Good morning to you, Sarah, Sam, and everybody on this Aloha Tuesday. Yes, happy Earth Day to everybody. And yes, there's nothing like being immersed with nature. Yes, we're talking about Pele coming out of Halema'uma'u. But yes, we're here in one of the coolest nature centers, Hawai'i Nature Center in Makiki Valley. Here to tell us more, Todd Cullison. Good morning to you, Executive Director. Tell me a little bit about where we are right now.
Well, we're at the Hawai'i Nature Center in Makiki Valley, just a few miles from Honolulu and Waikiki.
That's amazing. Tell me there's a trailhead here. I've never been on it, but how vast is this area?
Yeah, it's at least 1,000 acres of trails. trails are vast up there, several miles of up to 25 miles of trails back here you can get lost on and enjoy yourself.
Yes, that's amazing. And this is open to the public. People can actually come in through the gate as well?
Yeah, so the trails are owned by the state of Hawaii, Department of Land and Natural Resource, but Hawai'i Nature Center is a private nonprofit.
Yes, and it's been going on for a pretty long time, right?
Yeah, since 1981 we've been connecting kids and families to nature here.
Yes, that's what it's all about. Yes, yeah. And in Maui, how did it actually make its way to Maui?
Yeah, 1992 we opened up a site in I'au Valley. We've been over there for over 30 years as well.
Wow, that's I love I'au Valley and love the kind of comparison between here and Maui. Thank you, Todd. And also we have Sarah McIntyre, the Educational Program Director. Tell me about kind of the offerings that are coming up this summer as well as for Earth Day.
Yeah, absolutely. Happy Earth Day, everyone. This summer we have our Nature Adventure Camp.